This is what we have been waiting for quite some time. This is the Hisense Q5. This is not an LCD panel. It's actually an RLCD panel. So it is black and white, but it's not actually e-ink. The RLCD actually just protects your eyes because LCD and LED are, well, they cause a lot of strain on people's eyes. And this actually isn't a 10-inch device. It's a 10.5. So it actually has a very strange screen size as well. We've never opened this. We've never seen this. I've never seen this. We are selling it on our store. We're getting our inventory very soon. But for now, here it is. So this is everything that is going to come in the box. We will show you what everything is looking like in the retail package environment. Put that off to the side for now. So you have some IMEI. Oh, this has cellular connectivity. Nice. So you have some IMEI information there. You have your Q5 startup guide. Everything is in Chinese because this is primarily a Chinese only device. And you have some stuff here. So this is running micro USB, not USB-C. You see right there. You have your SIM card removal tool right there and your wall port. This is a standard wall port that will fit Canada, America, Japan, those kind of countries. By default, this will not fit China, UK, Australia, EU, etc. Doesn't seem to be anything else in the box except there's little spacers actually that... nope, there's nothing else in the box. There's spacers that they put the device in, they put in for the device, I guess, space out the box tray. They didn't really have enough siding or padding for it. I'm not too sure what the case is, but that is what's happening. Now for the device itself. Here it is right here. So it's not light, but it's not heavy. So it does offer a little bit of weight to it. Some people are 50-50. They like featherlight devices, but some people like heavier devices because it feels like there's something there. There's some value to it, that you're not just, you know, that your money's going towards something. So here it is. Here's the device. It has some design, some architectural design features, you could say. See, there's a little bump here. That is by design. So here is the screen. It is a very interesting screen. Looking at it, it almost looks like it should be a mirror, but it's not. It's matte, but it's very green and yellowy. You can see right there. We will do a first-time boot up on this as well. So you have some ports on the side. You have the micro USB, you have 3.5 mil, and you have an HDMI as well, but it's not a full HDMI. It's even looking like a micro HDMI. You have volume up and down, and you have the power button, and you have the SIM card up top with, I'm assuming, a microphone. On the back, you have a single speaker with a camera, and you have a proprietary port. It's a 5-pin copper contact for something. It could be for a keyboard or, you know, a dock of some sort. And you have a camera on the front with a light sensor. So we'll go ahead and just turn this on for the first time. We're not going to do a review on this right now. That's not what this is. This is an unboxing. We get people that complain all the time out of our unboxings and say, why do you even do them? I'm not going to watch them. Well, that's totally fine. That's up to you. We like to show people what they are to expect in the retail packaging because not everyone is going to be able to see this in person, so we have to give people the full experience. Now, already looking at this, it is looking fuzzy. This is the first second of starting it up. That doesn't mean what it's going to look like the whole way through, but the black and white, it is very easy on the eyes, I would say. It does simulate looking at a piece of paper. It's not at all like looking at a smartphone screen turning on. So you see once it boots up though, if you guys are scared about it being only in Chinese, it is in English. So you go ahead and click that. This looks very Android-y, and yes, it is running Android, but it looks Android-y to the point where it's almost like a gigantic cell phone OS. So you can connect to all that. We're going to skip over all this. We're not going to do any more of this setup process on camera for you. But you can see once we skip over all that, it actually is running the Vision OS that the Hisense phones and the other devices are running. So it's very similar to using a cell phone. You'll see that a lot of the functions are the same, data communication, all that. So it's basically a big cell phone OS rather than a tablet OS. But we're going to dive more into the screen in a future video because the screen is extremely interesting. It's almost looking like you get different colors the different ways you hold it. You can get very dull grays, you can get these yellowy greens going on. So it is definitely something very new to us, RLCD. It is not e-ink, we will tell you that right now. It's not an e-ink tablet. This is still an LCD panel. So we'll let you know how it performs, how it is on the eyes. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box for the Hisense Q5. And for GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.